I just literally want to help him get out. I feel terrible for him getting in trouble. It's my birthday. This is the last thing I wanted to get involved with.
Stand by.
Ma'am, you're not free to go anywhere. Ma'am. All right. Until we're done.
What are you doing to me?
I told you to stop. Stop.
I'm fine.
Stop pulling away.
I'm fine.
Do not.
Stop.
Don't resist.
Stop.
You started walking away and I told you to stop.
I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I'm not.
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Deputy Zito. You got all your information there?
That should be my credit. That should be my insurance.
Your insurance?
That should be right there.
Where are you coming from?
We rented out in Ismail. We went to Key West.
Wait, you where? Where were you?
We rented out an apartment in Ismail.
In Almirada?
Almirada.
Okay, is that where you're coming from?
Yes.
So you're coming from Almirada?
And then we're going to Key West.
Oh, you're going to Key West?
Yes.
So you're on your way to Key West?
Yeah, for my birthday.
Oh.
Okay.
What do you know? Do you know what Key West is? Do you know what's
Yeah,
a little bit more down?
Yeah.
what's special about Key West?
Well, I just wanted to go for my birthday.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay. All right. Be honest with me, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much.
All right, go ahead, step on out.
4114 is full by.
All right, come on over here, bud. All right, man. So where are you coming from? How about this?
The apartment.
So what
It called Island Cove.
Island Cove?
Something like Ismail. We rented out right there.
Okay. All right, be honest with me, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing, sir.
You just said you didn't have much. And
I had lunch and that's it.
might as well I tell you, you're coming from the direction of Key West and going towards Almirada.
No, that's right.
Oh, no.
We're going to Key West.
Okay. All right, man. So, dude, I know you've been drinking. And you told me even at your window you haven't had that much to drink. So just be honest with me. How much have you had to drink?
So I haven't had much to drink.
Well, that's not much.
I'm over here celebrating her birthday. That's it.
You could be over here celebrating Jesus Christ's birthday right now.
It's not Easter.
All right.
We have a hotel room like less than an hour away. And that's it.
How about this? Will you submit to a standardized field sobriety exercises to determine you can operate a motor vehicle?
Is that all that necessary?
Yes, sir.
If you feel like it's necessary, then...
Well, no. It's
if
up
you feel like it's necessary, then I do it,
It's up to you.
If you feel like... I know. If you feel like it's necessary, then you have to do it.
Well, I'm asking you, will you submit to the test or not? The exercise or
If
not?
you feel like it's necessary, then yes.
It's a yes or no, sir.
It's the same yes or no question for you, too. If you feel like it's necessary...
No, it doesn't work like that.
You don't dictate how this...
I'm sorry, then.
We ask you the question.
Yes, I will do whatever you ask me to. I will comply, but I legally have to comply.
All right, so you'll do it?
I'm not trying to make it difficult.
Are you willing to do it or not?
I am willing to do it.
Foot parallel to the ground.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I stop?
Keep going until I tell you to
7,
stop.
8.
Okay, you can stop. All right, you see her light? Put your chin down. Follow with your eyes only. You understand? Looking at the red light.
I'm looking at the red light.
Anyone who came around about phone on the distance?
Are you serious?
All right, ma'am. You have somebody to call, come get you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, unfortunately, he's going to go to jail for DUI. No tolerance. All right. Should have made better choices tonight. I'm sorry, it's your birthday. So get somebody on the phone to come get you.
If I have to drive him back, he's the one that's been taking,
Nope. Nope. If we let him go, we get fired. Sorry. This is y'all's fault. Both y'all's fault. It's zero tolerance. Yeah, no, he has a history of DUIs. Yep. So, fortunately, he hasn't stopped. And the direction y'all are coming from, y'all say you're coming from Almirada? Okay. No, y'all were coming from the direction of Key West.
We're going to Key West.
Key West is that way. You guys were going that way.
Yeah, but we had to stop by the gas station.
No, call a ride, because it's getting towed. Y'all come out on our streets doing this stupid shit, endangering our people here. You know, our kids, our family. Call a ride, because once the tow truck gets here, car's getting towed. So, call somebody, come get you.
But we did leave.
Right now, we're going to go to the
I can see it in the map right here.
That's probably the direction you were going.
No,
Ma'am, we're not up for argument.
No, but you're arguing with him for going the direction that he was going.
It's a totality of evidence that we have.
What evidence?
We're not.
No, but his mom is a lawyer.
We don't care.
I know you don't.
We don't care.
I just want to understand what's going on because honestly, he hasn't had, like, I know him. He hasn't had.
This is gonna be like his third DUI.
I know he has DUIs in the past. I've had my own DUIs.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. And there's only, it's a very common thing not to have any DUIs in your past. It's a totality of evidence. So get a ride because soon you're coming out of the vehicle. You're gonna find your own ways. Okay. This is not gonna work out in your favor. So just call a ride so this way you can get going.
You're saying that we were going the wrong way. That's not true.
You're saying you're coming from Almirada, but you're going north towards Almirada.
Yeah.
I know my damn direction here. I drive here every day.
It's literally, my hotel is telling me, like, it's there.
Y'all were going north towards Almirada from Key West. That's the direction.
We're going to Key West.
Oh my fuck. Call somebody. Key West is that way. I know where Key West is at because I live there. You don't have to show me on the map. I know where it's at. I drive these roads every day.
We came for Amarada Resort, and we're going to Key West. We're going straight down, 1 hour away.
Okay, bright light. All right, thank you. Thank you for letting me know, Google. Call a ride, because we got a tow truck coming. You don't want to end up in the backseat going to jail too tonight, so let's not do it.
I'm going to move the car right here.
No, because you're going to get a DUI too.
I can park the car right here.
You're going to get a DUI if you hop in that driver's seat.
I'm going to get a DUI for parking the car right there.
Yep, you are. And you can't park the car here.
I'm going to call his mother.
That's fine. You can call Jesus. Yeah, he's got a prior refusal too.
Does he?
He might have 2 prior refusals. I think he had 3. I think they said 2 prior DUIs. Ma'am, you calling an Uber or taxi or anything to come get
You
you?
don't have to worry about me. Thank you.
Okay. All right. I just want to make sure you have some transportation because the car's getting towed.
The car does not need to get towed.
No, it was involved in a crime. Yes.
I'm going to make sure to take care of it. Don't worry about it.
No, that's okay. It's involved in a crime.
Make sure it gets
Okay.
towed.
Look.
No, I
You're
have
gonna look.
family. I have money.
I don't.
This
We
car
don't
doesn't
give a shit what you got. It was involved in a crime, so it's getting towed. That's what happens. Do you understand that? One more thing out of you, you're impeding our investigation. You're going to end up going to jail with your boyfriend tonight for a total different charge.
This is ridiculous.
It's involved in a crime. He used it in a crime. It's getting towed.
Ma'am.
Where is it going to get towed?
I will let you know. We'll give him a tow receipt. That way he can get out the rules.
I would like to know right now if you could let me know the place, please. So it doesn't get charged hourly.
Okay.
Because I know they're going to charge hourly for the car. And if you could also let me know where he's being bailed in so I can pay for that as well.
You're not in charge here, right? So you're...
Whatever I have to do to get the car out and to get him out, I will do
Are
it.
you guys legally married?
Is that your personal...
Yes, it is because
Yes, we are.
Okay, so do you guys have the same last name and stuff?
Yes, we do.
We'll go tag real quick. Park behind it to the car. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna run your name. And if it comes back that you're lying to me, you're going to jail for giving me false information. Because he just told me that you guys are not married. That you guys are just boyfriend and girlfriend. So you gave me his last name. I'm going to give you one last opportunity to correct
Because this is going to be fantastic if he lied.
One last opportunity to correct
I'm just trying
that.
to help him out.
What is your last name?
I'm just trying to help him.
What is your last name?
Okay, it's
No,
fine.
no, it's not fine.
It's fine. I'm just trying to help him out because I want to bail him out.
Okay.
I want to take him. I want to be responsible.
Well, we all could be at the same place.
It's my birthday, and I feel terrible that he drove, that he got arrested. Like this is not fun.
Okay.
This is not fun on my birthday. Come on. This is like the last thing anybody wants to do on their birthday. I just want to help him out
What is your
and
first
bail
name
him out.
and what is your last
and
name?
I don't. Please respect me if I'm saying this. Like, correctly because I don't want to be in any
Okay,
trouble.
You realize
with
we
you
could have
guys.
been gone,
I know,
but you're making this difficult.
and I don't want to.
Okay,
So if you want to
were the
leave,
passenger of the vehicle in a crime that occurred.
I
Therefore,
understand.
I legally have to identify you.
I understand.
I am legally telling you have to identify yourself.
I understand.
So right now, the first time you gave me a false last name. So
I'm
I can
only
already
just trying to
ta-
help
So
him
I can
out.
already take you to jail.
I
for
just
that.
want to take my Uber, like you told me, and call it a day.
Okay.
Well, we
Thank
could
you.
Uber you to jail.
I need your name.
I told you, it's Jasmine. That's it.
Spell it
like,
for me.
Jasmine, JASMINEPO. 1997.
All right.
05,
No,
22.
you're not walking away.
Like,
You're gonna stay your ass
No,
right here
I-
until we're done.
What's your date of birth?
why are we doing this?
Okay.
Like this is
What is
I'm
your
not in
date of
any
birth?
trouble.
Oh no, you are now.
What is your date of birth?
You are now. I would listen to him.
I am
would
giving
listen
you
to him.
a chance.
My
I really
date of
am.
birth is today. It's today. I'm
All right,
telling
what
you,
year?
today
What
is
year?
my birthday.
What year?
97. Like today is literally my birthday. I don't want to go through this. I just want to help him. I'm sorry that I said that I was married to him. Like I just want to help him.
05/22/1997. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I just literally want to help him get out. I feel terrible for him getting in trouble. It's my birthday. This is the last thing I wanted to get involved with.
Stand by.
Ma'am, you're not free to go anywhere. Ma'am. All right. Until we're done.
What are you doing to me?
I told you to stop.
I'm
Stop
fine.
pulling away.
I'm fine.
Do not.
You don't have to arrest me.
Don't resist.
Stop.
You started walking away, and I told you to stop.
I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. I'm not.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm fine. I promise.
You're gonna go to the ground.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I
Put
promise
your
you.
hands behind your.
I'm fine. I promise you I'm fine.
Nope.
Please don't arrest me. Please don't arrest me. Please don't arrest me. I'm asking you, please don't arrest me. I'm asking you to please not arrest me. I'm asking you. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I was just walking away to breathe. I was just walking away to breathe.
I'm gonna tase you if you don't
No,
move.
I was just walking away to
Shut up.
breathe. I was just walking away to breathe.
Shut up.
I was walking
We told you to
away
stop walking.
breathe. I was walking away to breathe. I was walking away to breathe. I was just taking a breather. Please, can you please listen?
You know what? I'm done with this.
All right.
No.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yep. There you go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
I'm
All right. You're gonna get whacked again.
You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground.
Please.
Get on the ground
Get on
now.
the ground.
You're gonna get shocked again. Get on the ground now.
I'm asking for 1 second. I'm asking for
Turn
1
around.
second.
Turn around.
Turn around.
I'm
Turn
asking.
around.
Turn around.
Get on the ground.
You're gonna get double tased.
I don't want to
Turn
get
around.
tased.
Turn
Turn around.
I don't
Turn
wanna
around.
get tased.
Turn around. Turn around. Listen. Turn around. Turn
Can-
around. You want to get tased? You want?
No.
Okay.
Can you please?
Okay. We're gonna help you out, but look.
She's
Put your hands
got the
behind your back.
handcuffs on.
Can you please?
Hold that arm.
I'm fine with getting handcuffed. It's fine. It's fine.
Head that way. Don't get your arm out.
It's fine. Can somebody please talk to me?
Stop. Is she still tensing up?
Yeah. Push your head that way.
Can you please talk?
Give me your arm. I'm gonna tase you.
Taser.
Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Now.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Ah.
Give it up. Give it up.
Please just talk to me, please. I'm sober and I want to talk. I just want to say something, please.
Stop.
Please just let me talk.
Tango 13 here.
Yeah, we're still trying to control him.
Give me that arm. I'm sorry, man.
It's all right. Ma'am, please. You're gonna end up getting hurt here.
I know.
Let's stop.
Please
We don't
stop.
want to hurt
Stop,
you,
stop, stop.
but unfortunately, this is what's gonna happen.
3113. If I'm still resisting, can we get a hold of FHP or Clark Patrol, see if anybody's close to assist?
When detained.
I'm direct. You show me now.
Just sit down on your side and relax. Stay like that. You're making it worse for yourself. Stop.
I know because it hurts. I literally.
Y'all have a transport here tonight? No.
Can you please brush
Yeah,
my
go ahead,
hair?
handle
Like
that, thank you.
you're such an asshole to like.
Ma'am.
Dude, come on, man. I was just walking away for 2 blocks. This guy told me that I was running. This guy said I was running. I wasn't running.
Never said you were running.
You said I was running.
Walk away.
I literally was right there. You don't think you could catch me? I'm so little. I didn't deserve this. I was just walking away to call his mom. That's all I was doing.
Jasmine found herself facing a stack of serious charges: cocaine possession, marijuana possession under 20 grams, giving police a fake ID, resisting an officer, having drug paraphernalia, and possessing a controlled substance without a prescription. She posted bail and pleaded not guilty across the board. Then she brought in a lawyer, requested a jury trial, and got ready to dig into the evidence through discovery. But then something unusual happened. The case took a turn nobody expected. The prosecutor's office dropped every single charge. Their reasoning? Jasmine's defense team had found a case that lined up almost perfectly with her situation, and it changed everything. Here's what happened. During the traffic stop, Jasmine had given a false last name and told the officer she was the driver's wife, hoping that would let her drive the car away. But before things went any further, before an arrest, before she was taken in, before any booking or paperwork, she came clean and gave her real name, all within that same encounter. That detail turned out to be crucial. Florida law has a handful of cases dealing with exactly this kind of situation, when someone lies about their identity, but corrects it almost immediately. The rule that comes out of those cases is straightforward. If you walk back the lie on the spot, if the police never actually acted on the false information, and if the only real consequence was a short delay in the investigation, that adds up to a full legal defense against a false identification charge. Since Jasmine's case matched that pattern almost exactly, her odds of winning at trial were slim to none for the prosecution. And there was a strong chance a judge would toss out the rest of the evidence anyway once a hearing was held. Facing that reality, the state decided pursuing the case further just wasn't worth it, and let it go entirely.